Okay, see children, here the set of words has been given and here the pictures has been given. Okay, we want to make a line to the correct picture. Okay children, did you understand what I said? Listen children, this is a word here given. Okay, in this column the picture has been given. We are going to make a line to the particular picture. Okay, let's see. This is a rock. Let's just pronounce it correctly. Rock, rock, rock. Yes, it's getting a rock. Okay, just tell me where is the rock in the picture. Just tell me where is the rock in the picture. Find out. You are going to find out, not I am. Did you find it out? Did you find it out? Did you got it? Yes, tell me yes or no. Yes, did you got it? Okay, just I put a line to here. Okay, the next word is lock. Lock. Okay, just find out where is the lock picture. Yes, you are going to find it out. Just tell me where is the rock picture. Yes, this is a lock. Very good. Okay, next pronounce it correctly. Sock. Okay, find it out. Where is a sock? See it carefully children. See it carefully. Place your forefinger from the top and find it out from the bottom, from the top to bottom. Search it. Did you got? Yes. Where did you got? Yes, you got the sock here, isn't it? Okay, shall I make a line to the sock? Okay. Next one is, what is the sound of yes? Sick. Okay, sick means not healthy. Okay, fever. Sick means fever. Okay, just tell me where it's a picture which is related to fever. See here one boy is sleeping, isn't it? He is become a weak, isn't it? If you get sick, then we will become a sick. Okay, let's look at this picture. He is sick. He kept a thermometer in his mouth. See here. See it carefully here. He kept a thermometer in his mouth. So he is sick. So shall I put a line to there here? Okay, shall I put a line to it? Okay. Okay, next. See here. Kick. That is sound of K is K, isn't it? This I means E. Kick. Kick means they kicking the ball. Okay, just tell me the picture which having the picture like kicking the ball. Find out the boy is kicking the ball. Find it out. Using your forefinger, keep it from the top to bottom. Just search it out. Search it out, children. Yes, you got it. Very nice. Shall I put a line to this? Very nice. Okay, next one is truck. 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 You want to find it out? Where is the truck? Just find it out where the truck is here. Just keep your forefinger here from the top to bottom. Just find it out. Find it out. Did you find it out? Yes, tell me where is a truck? Yes, here is a truck. Shall I put a line? Very nice. Good. You are doing a very good job. Cheer up. Okay, let's move to the next word. WICK. Wick. Not wick. Because a V if comes means we will say wick. This is a wick. Okay. So where is a wick? Just find it out. Where is a wick? On the last exercise I told you what is wick. Okay, just find it out. Where is a wick here? Just keep your forefinger and just keep your forefinger from the top and just find it out. Find it out to the bottom. Yes, did you find it out? Yes, did you find it out? Okay, where is a wick? Yes, here is a wick. Shall I put a line to this? Very good, children. Okay, let's see the last word. S T I C K, stick. Stick. Find it out. Where is a stick in the picture column? Keep your forefinger from the top and just find it out. Did you find it out? Yes, where is the stick? The stick is here. Okay, children, in this column the words are given, and in this column the picture has been given, isn't it? Okay, we just match the word to its related image. Rock, or O-C-K, rock, rock, lock, L-O-C-K. See, sound of C-K is K. Sound of CK is long K. Okay, just remember that. Okay, now just tell me the first two letter word alone. Law, lock, lock. Sock, sock. Sick, sick, sick. Kick. Trock. Very good. Weak, weak. Stick. Okay, the C sound of CK is K. Okay, that only I am coming to tell you. The sound of CK is K. Okay. Okay, if the CK comes together, then it will be sounds like K. Okay, children. Now we understand. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Okay, children, this is a very interesting exercise. Listen it carefully. Here there are a lot of picture has been given. Listen it carefully. Here the lot of picture has been given. We are going to find out the picture which the word end with CK. Okay, we are going to find out the picture word with end with CK. Okay, children, listen carefully. We are going to find out the picture name which end with CK. Which end with CK. Okay, just listen. What is this? This is a track. What I have told you, what is the sound of CK? K. Track. Okay, this is a ending with TK. So I am going to put a circle. Okay, this is weak, but it does not end with CK sound. It's end with AK. W-E-A-K, weak. This is a track. This is a weak. A sound coming. Okay, this is a dress. No. This is a desk. No. Desk means D-E-S-K. Not CK sound will come. Desk. No. This is a bed. Bed, no. This is a moth. No, the CK sounds come. This is a lock. You're hearing a K sound, isn't it? L-O-C-K, lock. Okay, just listen it carefully. What is this? This is chick. Okay, you're hearing any CK sound? Yes, you're hearing a CK sound. Yes, C-H-I-C-K, chick. Okay, children. Okay, listen carefully. We haven't just seen the picture word which have the CK sound. This is track. T-R-A-C-K, track. This is weak, but having a K sound, but it's not a CK sound, having a AK. This is a dress, it will not come at all. This is a desk. You are having a yes sound along with K, having a yes sound here, so it's not come. Bed, not come. Moth, not come. This is a lock. L-O-C-K, lock. K. This is a CK sound is coming, isn't it? Okay, let's see the last picture. This is a chick. Okay, C-H-I-C-K, chick. Having a CK sound. Okay, I have told you already the sound of the CK will be K. Track, lock, chick. Okay, but in a desk the S sound coming along with K. For example, for a week, the K sound comes along with A. Week, week. Okay, children? Okay? Okay, let's go to the next exercise.